They are flying literally all over the place right here. Oh my God, they're all over the trees. We're trying to attempt to make it closer to the cicadas here. I'm probably stepping on them too in the grass without me even knowing. I'm gonna try and get closer too. All these kids are watching me. Right here too. I don't want them to go in my armpit. There's probably gonna be tons of them trying to fly on me now. This would be crazy. Look at them all. So lots of kids freaking out over there. Oh my God. I'm not freaking out. Well, a little bit. Look at them all flying all over. Ah! There's one on my shoulder right now. All right, buddy, get off of me. Shoo. Get down. They're probably all over my legs right now. I don't even know. One was crawling on my shoe. Okay.